Okay, we're going to do the Micro Draco in the yard today. It's a beautiful plane. It's really gorgeous looking, but sometimes she could be finicky. Sometimes the servos lock up and she'll just fall out of the sky. Hopefully it doesn't do that today. I had it crash a couple times, but everything seems to be fine. Here we go. Yeah, see, it's not turning. Okay, yeah, she could be a handful, this plane. Could be a real handful. See how she like bobs around? I don't know why it does that. A lot of people were saying it does some weird stuff. But it can fly here. I don't know why it does all of this weird stuff, but she will fly. I think it just needs a lot of speed to fly in a small area like this. She can be scary to fly. She seems alright right now, but you never know. That's why I hardly fly it. Haven't taken it out in a long time. She's a great looking plane, but she's very finicky. Why? I have no idea. Gorgeous looking plane. It's just a pain in the butt to fly over here. She's all over the place sometimes. Yeah, see? I don't think the servos are fast enough for this plane. But she does fly. A little bit finicky, but it flies. I would say with faster servos, it would probably be much, 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 much better. Great looking bird though. I think we got like a 4 to 6 mile an hour wind right now, and it's flying okay. She's just scary to fly. Wish it had better servos. See the way it glitched over there? Beautiful bird though, beautiful looking. Okay, we're gonna bring her in for a landing. Hopefully it lands good today. You never know with this bird. Never know. Nice, very nice. Oh, grass is a little too tall, but that was a smooth landing. Very nice. Shockingly. Yes, very nice bird. Okay, that was I think they call it a micro Draco. I think it's a 700 millimeter wingspan maybe or something. As you can see, it did crash because the servo locked up and it just went down. But otherwise, she still flies great. I just don't like the servos that are in it. You know? Alright. Well, that was the micro Draco in the yard today. Slight breeze. Right now it's calm, but it does kick up. And it flew great. Alright. A little hairy, but good. Alright. Have a nice day. See you on the next flight.